These are Poise 501, and we will put a link in the description if you want to get it. Hello everyone, this is Victoria again here at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy. I'm actually so happy to be here with you today, guys. Today we're gonna review these stunning shoes. The name is Poise 501 and they are 5 inches. And as usual, they bring with this box for protect them, and with this travel bag, which is really important when you have to take your shoes. Maybe for photo shoots or runway shows. And look, these beautiful shoes, my favorite color and fluffy here. 5 inch, they are so beautiful. And the other one, I really like them. We have these ones as well in black color. Today I will wear this red color, but it's in black as well. But you know that my color is red. And let's try. They are actually comfortable. They don't have ankle strap, but you can handle because they are not too high, right? So that's good. How I look, guys? I feel like super fluffy. They definitely will call the attention. Okay, as usual, we go around a little bit for show you how amazing look these ones under sunlight. But don't forget to subscribe, to let your comments here down, and click on the little bell in this corner so don't miss any video from this channel. Let's go. I'm always a bit scared when I have to wear high heels with not a strap, ankle strap, but it's been pretty good with these ones. As usual, beautiful day for me. It's like Brisbane knows that I come. Also, guys, remember we're gonna let the link here down. So if you want to buy these beautiful shoes, just have to click the link. How I'm doing it? I think that is, I don't know, I feel good. And you can stop to see them. I want to turn around a little bit to show you every detail. Red definitely is my color. I feel so comfortable with red. My knife, red, everything red. But yeah, it's not too difficult. It's good. Every time when I come, I feel like I'm improving. I'm improving and improving. Indeed, I'm so professional now. Easy to take off. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.